Gals in God's grace.
Hi, welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you are new. In this video, we are at Trisha's house. We were getting ready for an appraisal that she was having that week, so I helped her clean out her guest bedroom, and then later, Katie's bedroom, you'll see in a little bit. Actually, I didn't really help her clean the guest bedroom at all. I was holding the camera, but as you can see, Trish and I were deep in conversation, and we just find that it's so nice to clean together because you don't even really think about the cleaning process. You're just having a good time with your girlfriend, and the cleaning just happens along the way. So we love to get together and just visit this way. We have some coffee or some wine and get our houses all clean and spruced up. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There is nothing like a Trisha made bed. She uses the best linens. She always has down comforters and pillows, and being a guest at her house just makes you feel so warm and cozy. She just really treats her friends, and I am so appreciative of her. She is definitely one of a kind.
What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come, to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
Trisha was telling me that this picture is of her father-in-law's grandfather. This guest bedroom is kind of a collection of family heirlooms. And if you're just joining us, then you might not know that Trish just had her first grandbaby. So if you want to congratulate her, please do so in the comments. We're also excited for her. We do have a video where we went to Trisha's son and daughter-in-law's house and we painted their nursery for them. So if you'd like to see that video, I will link it down below, or you can just click at the top of the screen there.
'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes.
While Trish was cleaning her master bedroom, I decided to make us some lunch. I call this funky spaghetti. I saw a version of it years ago on TV, and we've just kind of been tweaking it ever since. I just start with some olive oil in a pan with some ground up turkey in this instance. Actually, the original version has no meat at all. I just added some bruschetta seasoning and I browned that up. The base of this dish is grape tomatoes, and really you're supposed to like squeeze them up in your hands, and there's no sauce, so that becomes the sauce, so to speak. But I just pour hot noodles over those tomatoes, and then I add some onion, and that creates the flavor for this funky spaghetti. And then we kind of been adding different things throughout the years. Like I said, I've added this turkey, this ground turkey. In some versions, I tend to go a little Greek and add feta and Kalamata olives, but Trish doesn't really like either one of those. So this is more of an Italian version. And this is some garlic and definitely some olive oil. Salt and pepper is a must. We add those, and then we do a final, the cheese, Parmesan cheese, because this is the Italian version. And then some fresh basil. That's a must. The tomatoes, onions, and basil are always a must. And then the noodles and olive oil, of course. And then whatever you want to add besides that is really up to you. One thing that we always pair this with, of course, is our wine. We love our wine. And we had some actually homemade wine that I received from a friend at work. And we had some of that with some salad. And as you'll see, Trish is just in heaven. She's saying right here, not out loud, but she's saying it's so good that she can't open her eyes. So now that we've had a sufficient lunch, we of course have to get back to our cleaning, and we are on to Katie's bedroom. Katie, of course, takes care of her bedroom herself, but as I said before, we were getting ready for an appraisal, and it was just a nice thing to be able to clean this bedroom for Katie. She works really hard, and it's just a nice little gift you can give to your family sometimes and surprise them with a clean room. Whenever Trish and I clean together, she's always talking about how excited she is going to be about the reaction of the person that she's cleaning for. And I just love that about her. She's just so caring and really loves to make people feel happy and welcomed and like they're special. She's just really good at making people feel special. And this instance was no exception. She kept saying how excited she was that Katie was going to come home and see her bedroom all clean.
State of mind, eyes blind, and it is getting dangerous. I don't wanna fight the feeling inside, 'cause your words are so contagious. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give in to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer, ooh, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 I'm fire, oh, 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 my skin's on fire, oh, 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 lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats a line, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no, I'm having a reaction, oh, I give it to you, give in to your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no, you're having a reaction, oh, I can feel that I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all, we let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all, I'm broken, and even if
And here's a really cute rug as a final touch. I just love the way that Katie has chosen to decorate her bedroom. I love all the colors she uses and the candles she has. She definitely learned from her mama how to decorate. And here it is all done. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And next time, we're hoping that Trish will be with me. I know you guys love that banter between her and I, and believe me, I do too. We've been so busy with the wedding, we haven't been able to meet up for the voiceovers, but hopefully that will be a reality in the near future. So thank you again for watching. Bye.